Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today is another episode of Makeup Monday. Today we are going to be doing a more natural look. You guys have asked for that. You know I had to add my little spin on it and put a little sparkle and a little glitter in there. We're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. I will link that down in below in the description box if you'd like to order one. I don't have an affiliate code, but I'm sure you can find one if you go and ask on Twitter. Now you can do this whole look with the palette. I did add a little extra glitter on top of one of the colors that I put in from the palette, and that's going to be from LeLePosh Cosmetics. We've talked about her company in a couple of my videos. This is going to be in the color Snowflake, and I will also link that down in the description box below as well. I don't have an affiliate code with them either, but if you ask on Instagram, I'm sure you can find one. Anyway, guys, I hope you love this look. You guys wanted something more natural, more earth tone, and that's what I went for. If there's a kind of look that you want to see, leave me a comment down below. If there's a certain palette you want me to be testing out and trying out or showing you some tutorials with, leave me a comment about that as well. Or if there's a specific technique like a cut crease that you want to see, let me know and we'll get that video up for you. Alright guys, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you want to. You know I love when you do. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And if you hit the bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Our makeup looks are always on Mondays, but if you guys keep wanting them, I might add in an extra day during the week. Alright guys, let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, as always, I'm going to put some ColourPop concealer in the color Fair, which is their version of white, all over my lid. My lids are slightly stained from the look the day before. I'm going to use some washi tape. It's nice on the skin. It doesn't pull like regular tape. And I'm going to use that so that we can get a nice sharp edge. I'm going to line it up with my lower lash line and my brow. So one thing I hate about this palette is the names are on the back and it's backwards. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and pick up Mocha. And I'm just using an e.l.f. blending brush because I like how those are just compact so that I can pack the color on my lid and then blend it out. So I brought that color about a third way over my eye, and now I'm just blending that harsh line on the top and making sure I go over the tape just to make sure I get that sharp edge. Now taking a Morphe M507 brush, I'm picking up the shade Pooter. I hate this name. And I'm going to use this just to buff out the color Mocha. And make sure, again, you just go right over that tape to make sure that your line is even all the way up. Next, we're going to pick up the shade Chip. And again, I'm just using an e.l.f. blending brush so that I can pick up a good amount of product and stamp it in place and then blend it out. And we're going to go into the corner here, into the crease, and just buff it out into Mocha. We don't want to go all the way over like we did with Mocha. We just want to start making that smoky eye effect. Because the concealer is still tacky, I'm going to take my finger and just kind of blend it into that color we just placed so that the edge isn't too harsh. And now we're going to pick up our deepest shade, which is Abyss. And again, we're just using a Morphe M507 brush. And we're just going to kind of buff this color into the outer V of our eye and a little bit into the crease just to get that dark, smoky effect. Now, if you lose any of the other colors that we placed below as it's going up towards your brow bone, you can always go back in and buff those in a little bit. So with a flat brush that I've sprayed with some setting spray, I'm going to pick up the shade Beam. And we're going to start placing that on the part of our eye that we left open. You can cut the crease again if you want, but I'm trying to make this a quick smoky eye look. So I've left that open just so I can start placing that color down. We're going to go over the browns a little bit and then just kind of blend it all in so that it looks nice. Use your fingers, don't be scared. Sometimes they work better than the brushes. And that brush was a Morphe M167. It's a nice, big, bulky, flat brush. It's my favorite to use shimmer shades with. So you could totally stop right there and the look would be great, but I'm going to add this glitter gel by LeLePosh Cosmetics. It's in the shade Snowflakes, and I'll give you a little swatch of that. It's just a really great topper, and it does not need glitter glue, which I love. So I tested out every brush known to man. The best way to apply this is with your finger. My favorite part, taking the tape off, so satisfying. All right, I'm gonna do my face makeup and then we'll come back and finish off this look. So we are doing this as a smoky eye, so you can take a black or a deep brown eyeliner and do your waterline with that. We're going for that full smoky glam, so we're going to go ahead and take some Abyss and put that right against the waterline as well. Don't worry if it looks a little messy, everything's going to get buffed out. And then we're taking a little chip and just going right up against that as well. And then picking up a little bit of pooter, we're just going to kind of clean and buff that out even more. And then I like to just take a nice big fluffy brush and just buff all that out so I don't have any harsh lines, and it just has that nice smoky effect to it. And next we'll just pop on some liner and lashes and mascara. Alright guys, so that is the finished look with a wing liner and some lashes. I went out to get some natural light photos so you could really see that glitter just pop and shine and be out there in its fullness. I am mostly known for my rainbow and very bright, vibrant colored looks, so doing this was outside of the box for me, and I have to say I absolutely loved it. So thanks a lot for suggesting that I do something like this. I plan on doing a few more like this, but remember guys, if you want to see a certain look, just leave me a comment down below. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!